Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to efficiently obtain nether quartz in Minecraft. While direct duplication of items is not an intended game mechanic, there are several highly effective in-game strategies to gather substantial amounts. We will explore the most reliable methods that are consistent across different versions of the game, ensuring you can always expand your quartz supply for building and crafting. The most direct way to get nether quartz is by mining it in the nether. Nether quartz ore is quite common there, appearing between Y levels 10 and 117. To maximize your haul, always use a pickaxe enchanted with Fortune 3. This enchantment can dramatically increase your yield, often giving you up to 4 pieces of quartz from a single block, making your mining efforts much more productive. Another excellent and renewable method is trading with mason villagers. Once a mason villager reaches expert level, they will offer to trade blocks of quartz for emeralds. Setting up an efficient emerald farm, perhaps through trading other items or creating a raid farm, can provide a steady supply of emeralds. This allows you to continuously acquire large quantities of quartz blocks without needing to mine them yourself. Finally, you can barter with piglins in the nether. By dropping gold ingots for them, piglins will offer various items in return, including nether quartz. While the yield is random, an automated gold farm can generate a massive surplus of gold, making this a viable passive method. Combining efficient mining with Fortune 3, villager trading, and piglin bartering offers the most comprehensive strategy for unlimited nether quartz.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.